Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of Fed by Fire, and today what we are making is a prepared horseradish with some wild horseradish that I foraged out of the ground. And the beautiful thing about making this on your own is that it's really just better. It tastes more fresh, it's spicier, it's hotter. If you ever get a prepared horseradish that doesn't have that heat factor that you're looking for, making it on your own is super easy. It's extremely easy to forage, and there's only a few steps to really make this, so we're gonna get into it right now. So if you have a potato peeler, that's an extremely easy way to get this skin off. But if you haven't got a potato peeler on you, like I don't right now, then all you need to do is just grab a knife and start scraping all that skin off. And as long as you get all of those brown parts off of there, you're in good shape. You can already smell it. It smells insane. It has an extremely powerful aroma to it, and it's way worse than cutting onions. This stuff will burn your eyes, so just make sure that you do not breathe this stuff in once you start blending it, because it'll gas you out really bad. Now all I need to do is just cut them into pretty small pieces. Like I'm going for 1/4 inch or smaller because this is so fibrous and woody. Do a lot of work with your knife ahead of time and make it easier for the blender to sort of chop these things up into a really fine paste. All right, chopped pieces into the blender. Just get this thing on high. So right now we're essentially at like a fine sawdust stage, which is good. That's what we want. So we'll add a decent amount of salt to this. We're going to add some vinegar just to add that acid. I'm also going to add just a little splash of some nice cold water, just to start getting things to bind together. We'll just add a little bit of water and keep on going until we get to that consistent, really nice paste. I gotta add some more liquid. Oh, why'd I do that? Oh my gosh, never sniff the bottle. Holy smokes. Wow, it took my breath away a little bit there. Why'd I do that? Dang it. Well, it's spicy. Oh, that's the jam now. So you gotta let this kind of like off gas a little bit. Don't get your face too close, but also don't be afraid to give it a little taste. That's it. Super peppery, back of the tongue, straight up your nose. It's got a fiery kick to it. It'll burn your face off if you smell it too close. We want to put it on steak. We want to put it on all kinds of beautiful grilled meats. And there it is. That's how you make wild prepared horseradish.